In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bollinger Bandwidth indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the indicator set up on your chart and ready to use in your trading analysis. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. Any market or time frame will work here, so just pick the one you usually analyze. Once your chart is on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the indicators button. It's usually near the middle or slightly to the left, above your price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools and custom scripts. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see several categories and a search bar. To keep things simple, we're going to use the main categories. Find and click on the section labeled Technicals. This area groups together most of the standard commonly used indicators like moving averages, oscillators, and volatility tools, which is where Bollinger Bandwidth fits in. After you click on Technicals, you'll either see a list of indicators or a search option within that category. From here, you want to navigate to the indicator list itself. If there's a search box, click into it so you can type. This helps narrow things down quickly instead of scrolling through a long list. In the search field, start typing Bollinger Bandwidth. As you type, TradingView will filter the results. When you see Bollinger Bandwidth appear in the list, click on it once. The moment you select it, TradingView will automatically add the indicator to your chart. You'll usually see it appear in a separate pane below your price chart, showing a line that expands and contracts as volatility changes. If you want to fine-tune it, you can hover over the indicator's name in the pane and click the settings icon. There, you can adjust inputs like the length or standard deviations, as well as colors and line thickness to match your personal style or strategy. None of this is required to get started, but a quick tweak can make it easier to read at a glance. Finally, if you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want access to more indicators on a single chart, longer data history, and additional tools, feel free to use the link in my description to sign up and unlock those extra features.